Hello everyone, today's demonstration is about the assembly steps for the Magical Galaxy transmission model. After receiving the package, first check if the parts inside are complete. The electronic kit needs to be functionally tested before use. Open the battery compartment and install 3 AAA batteries. Turn the power switch to the leftmost on position, check if the LED indicator lights up green, and the lamp and LED board light up. Gently press the touch switch, check if the LED indicator lights up green, the speaker plays music normally, the motor's rotary shaft rotates, and the lamp and LED board light up. Gently press the touch switch again, check if the speaker stops playing, the LED indicator lights up green, the motor's rotary shaft rotates, and the lamp and LED board light up. After the test is complete, turn the power switch to the off. Remove 11, 12, and 37 from H22 for assembly. Complete the assembly of auxiliary tool T1. Remove one each of 3, 4, 5, and 4, 6 from H22 for assembly. Complete the assembly of auxiliary tool T2. Auxiliary tool T3 can be assembled later when needed, or you can complete its assembly in this step. Before assembly, please remove auxiliary tools E37 and E1 form E-board. They can be used to remove small parts from the board. Take out the electronic kit and disconnect the connectors. Remove D2, take out 4 P5 screws and 4 P6 nuts. Use the screws and nuts to fix the battery compartment onto D2. Remove 4B12 and 4B11 and assemble them into the corresponding positions. Remove 4B6 and assemble them into the corresponding positions. Remove H5. Pass the motor, speaker, and touch switch together through the hollow part of the H5. Then assemble H5 with the previous components. Remove F6. Take out 2P1 screws, 2P3 nuts. Use the screws and nuts to fix the motor onto F6. Remove 2 F5 and sand them with sandpaper and wax chunk. Take out 1 P2 screw and fix it into the corresponding position. Remove F7 for assembly. Then assemble the completed component with the main body. Note: tuck the battery compartment wires into the blue groove. Remove one each of D35, D36, D37, D38, D17 for assembly. Fix the speaker. Install the speaker with the magnetic side facing down. If installed backwards, the volume will be lower. Do not press the film to avoid damaging the part. Then assemble it with the main body. Remove D39 for assembly. Remove B4, take out 2 P4 screws. Use the screws to fix the touch switch onto B4. Remove 2H4. Organize the wires, then use H4 to secure the wires. The wires are directly threaded through the holes and then pulled tight to prevent them from getting tangled up in the gears. Remove 8B9 for assembly. Note: do not assemble B9 parts in the 4 sets of sockets shown in the video for now. Remove 4B8 and 2B2 for assembly. Completed the assembly of the base. Remove 2A5 and sand them with sandpaper and wax chunk. Remove 6A6. Assemble them in order. Note: the longer side of the part's pin should face the socket. Remove 4A4 for assembly. Completed the assembly of 2 sets of gear 1. Remove A2 and sand it with sandpaper and wax chunk. Remove 3A3 for assembly. Remove 2A10 for assembly. Completed the assembly of gear 2. Remove A0 and sand it with sandpaper and wax chunk. Remove 3A1 for assembly. Remove A0, A11 and sand them with sandpaper and wax chunk. Then assemble them. Completed the assembly of gear 5. Remove A8, and use the wax chunk to sand the corresponding position. Remove 1A9, 2A22. Sand A9 with sandpaper and wax chunk. Sand A22 with the wax chunk. Then assemble the 2A22. Take out 1 P8 sleeve, 1 P9 steel shaft, 1 plastic spacer for assembly. Use the auxiliary tool for assembly. The plastic spacer here needs to be removed after assembly, same for subsequent operations. Assemble the just assembled parts with the main body. Remove one each of A27, A28, A29. Then assemble them. Then assemble it with the main body. Take one each of A17, P8 sleeve, P9 steel shaft, plastic gear small, plastic spacer. Assemble them in order. Then assemble it with the main body. Completed the assembly of part 1. Remove A26, and use the wax chunk to sand the corresponding position. Remove 2A12, 1A9. Sand them respectively with sandpaper and wax chunk. Take out 4P9 steel shafts, 4P8 sleeves, 1 plastic spacer for assembly. Take out 1 plastic gear small for assembly. Remove A16 for assembly. Take out part 1 for assembly. Take out 1 P7 steel shaft, 1 P8 sleeve, use the auxiliary tool to assemble. Take out 1 gear 1 P8 sleeve for assembly. Take out 1 P7 steel shaft, 1 P8 sleeve, use the auxiliary tool to assemble. Take out 1 gear 1 P8 sleeve for assembly. Remove 2A31. Take out gear 5, 1 P7 steel shaft, 1 plastic spacer for assembly. Take out 1 P7 steel shaft, 1 P8 sleeve, use the auxiliary tool to assemble. Take out 1 gear 2 P8 sleeve for assembly. Turn the gear to check if it runs smoothly. If the gear is not running smoothly, remove it and check if it has been sanded smoothly and if the areas requiring waxing have been waxed properly. Remove 4A23, 1A7. Assemble them with the just assembled main body. Completed the assembly of the power transmission hub. Take out the base, assemble them together. Before assembling the power transmission hub, organize the wires in the area shown in the video. Press vertically into place and push the clip along the video direction until it snaps into place. Switch the power switch to on, gently press the touch switch, check if the gears operate normally. If operation is sluggish, remove and check if areas requiring waxing have been waxed, the gear part connections are sanded smooth. If operation is smooth, then switch the power switch to OFF. Remove B10 and sand it with the wax chunk. Then assemble B10. When assembling B10, be careful not to catch the wires behind it. Remove one B5, for B3 for assembly. Remove B7 for assembly. Note that B5 and B7 should be installed with the red marked areas on the video and manual facing the same direction. Then assemble it with the main body. Remove I11, A13 for assembly. Note, organize the wires first, then fix the clips. Assemble A13. Remove 2A30, 2A20, take out 1P13 blue bead. Take out 1P8 sleeve, 1P9 steel shaft and assemble them in order. Remove A18, sand it with sandpaper and wax chunk. Use A18, A20 for assembly. Note, keeping the patterns of A18 and A20 in the same direction yields better results. Take out one P8 sleeve for assembly. Remove A15, A25 for assembly. Then assemble the assembled part with the main body. Remove 2A19 for assembly. Remove A14, apply glue to it, then assemble. Remove 2A19, 1A21, 1A24. Assemble the 2A19. Apply glue to A24, then assemble. Assemble A21. Switch the power switch to on, gently press the touch switch, check if the gears operate normally. If operation is sluggish, remove and check if areas requiring waxing have been waxed, and if the gear part connections are sanded smooth. If operation is smooth, then switch the power switch to OFF. Remove one each of C15, C21, C31, C32, C35. Assemble them in order. Remove 2C10 for assembly. Note, this part is fragile, please assemble carefully. Take out the gold aluminum wire, thick, cut a piece about 10 centimeters long. Thread and bend the gold aluminum wire. After the assembly is completed, cut off the excess gold aluminum wires. Remove 2C11, 2C12. Assemble them. Remove 1C13, 2C14 for assembly. Remove one each of C30, C34, C16. Assemble them. Take out the just assembled part, remove plastic film L11. Note, the frosted side of plastic film L11 should face outward. Bend it, then assemble. Remove F35 for assembly. Take out the just assembled part, remove C22, C24, assemble them. Remove one each of C8, C7, C19. Sand C8 with wax chunk and sandpaper. Then assemble them. Remove 2C23 for assembly. Take out the just assembled main body, assemble them together. Remove 2C9 for assembly. Completed the assembly of the cockpit. Remove 1D28, 1D29, 2D30. Sand the 2D30 with sandpaper and wax chunk. Remove acrylic, J2, then peel off the protective film on its surface. Take out 1 P8 sleeve, 1 P9 steel shaft, 1 plastic spacer for assembly. Remove 2D21, 1D27, 1D31. Sand D27 with the wax chunk. Take out 2 P9 steel shafts, 2 P8 sleeves, 2 plastic spacers for assembly. Note, the sleeve and D31 should be on the same side, do not press too tight. The steel shaft and D21 should be on the same side, do not assemble backwards. Sand D31 with the wax chunk, then assemble. Remove 2D8, 1D9 for assembly. Remove 1D26 and sand it with sandpaper and wax chunk. Then assemble it. Sand the just assembled main body with the wax chunk, then assemble them. Remove 1D14 for assembly. Remove 2D8, 1D9 for assembly. Remove 1D26 and sand it with sandpaper and wax chunk. Then assemble them. Sand the just assembled main body with the wax chunk. Remove 1D14 for assembly. First adjust the middle activity rod to the upward position, then assemble the ship wings. Completed the assembly of part 2. Remove D12 and use the wax chunk to sand the corresponding position. Remove 1D23, take out 1P9, steel shaft, 1P8, sleeve, 1 plastic spacer. Sand D23 with sandpaper and wax chunk. Then assemble it. Remove D13, and sand it with sandpaper and wax chunk. Take out 1P9, steel shaft, 2P8, sleeves, 1 plastic spacer, assemble them. Note, D13 requires 2 sleeves for fixation. Remove 2D6 for assembly. Remove D22 and sand it with sandpaper and wax chunk. Remove 2D24 for assembly. Then assemble it with the main body. Remove 2D10, take out part 2, assemble them. Note, the gear faces the ship wing. Remove 2D11 for assembly. Rotate the gear and movable shaft to the angle shown in the video. Take out one P7 steel shaft, one P8 sleeve for assembly. Completed the assembly of the front wing. Turn the gear to check if it runs smoothly. Take out the cockpit for assembly. Remove the light film for assembly. Note, the frosted side of the light film should face inward. Completed the assembly of part 3. Remove 1D4, 3D1, 1D0. Sand D4, D0 with sandpaper and wax chunk. Assemble them. Remove 1D4, 2D3 and sand them with sandpaper and wax chunk. Remove 8 pieces of cardstock, K9. Assemble them. Take out one P9 steel shaft, remove 2 C2. Assemble them. Note the orientation of C2, the two parts should face the same side. Completed the assembly of part 4. Remove 1 C25, 2 C4, 2 C5. Sand C4, C5 with the wax chunk, then assemble them. Remove C1, C3, assemble C1. Apply glue to C3, then assemble. Take out part 4 for assembly. Note, the side where the two gears of part 4 are joined should be assembled on the left side of the stern. Remove 2C6 for assembly. Completed the assembly of part 5. Remove 2D33 for D32. Sand D33 with sandpaper and wax chunk. Use the auxiliary tool to help press, assemble them. Completed the assembly of 2 gear 8.